So hi guys! So today mag-unbox tayo ng ating bagong kitchen tool. Ito yung T-fal Easy Fry XL Air Fryer. So this retails for $129.97. So basically $130 Canadian. But we got this for free because we used our points from Air Miles. Anyway, so eto, we'll start unboxing this one. They just delivered this a few days ago. So, tara, buksan natin. I've always wanted an air fryer. This is one reason for me to eat lots of spring rolls na. Kasi nga, instead of deep frying it or frying it with lots of oil, I'll just use my air fryer for this. So, okay, let's start opening it. It's quite a heavy box. Okay. Okay. Talagang well sealed siya. I think this is different from the other T-fal ActiFry. So sabi dito, ang capacity niya is 4.2 liters and it's good for about 6 persons. I just have to be very careful with this when I lift it up kasi I don't wanna break it. It's heavy. So eto. So it comes with the manual, and I believe there's also, if I'm not mistaken, a recipe booklet that comes with it. So it just comes with safety instructions, how to use it, yung mga description, and about the appliance itself, and a cooking guide. And then how to clean it, yung mga tips and storage, how to store it properly. And then, I don't think it comes with any recipe manual, but that's fine. You can easily access the internet for this. Okay, so what's good about air fryers is that you could use it with a little to no oil at all, and then you could also roast, fry, you could also grill and bake with this. So tanggalin lang natin yung mga tape. So ito siya, XL capacity, 4.2 liters. And it feeds up to 6 people. So this guy comes in 2 colors. One, ito nga, all black. And then the other one is parang silver, itong side na to. And this side as well as the handle. Okay, so what I like about this is it's not bulky at all, considering na mukha siyang malaki at saka mukha siyang mabigat. Although it's really heavy. It's heavy for its size. It fits perfectly here in my counter. And it doesn't take up much space, which I love. So it has a non-stick coating basket that's removable, and it's dishwasher safe as well. Okay. And then dun sa mismong tfal.ca or T-fal website, you can find lots of recipes. Ito yung adjustable thermostat niya. Celsius siya. So, from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. If you're not familiar with Celsius, sa Fahrenheit, it's about 176 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, ito yung kanyang timer. So, up to 60 minutes. So, with regards to cleaning naman, itong bowl niya, this one, this is the bowl, and ito yung grid. It has non-stick coating. So, if you use abrasive cleaning material, madadamage both ito. So, siguro yung sponge, and then before every use, you have to wash it. So, we'll wash it with hot water and then liquid detergent. We will clean this rack and the bowl using a sponge and then a liquid soap, hot water ang gagamitin natin. Next is the bowl. Using our sponge again, we'll just clean the entire bowl with hot water and soap. So there you go, guys. This was a short unboxing of my T-fal Extra Fry XL air fryer.